Welcome to our next episode of Chemistry Tales, the EDTA Titration calculations. Now we're doing parts per million calcium carbonate in the unknown water sample. By definition, parts per million is milligrams of the calcium carbonate per liter of solution. You already have the moles of calcium carbonate from your previous molarity calculation. That number of moles must be converted to grams using the molar mass and then to milligrams. That's the numerator value. The milligrams are per liter of solution. So in the denominator, you simply need the volume of solution you titrated in liters. That should be the correct calculation for the parts per million concentration of calcium carbonate in the unknown. Thank you for listening. Annie says hi. Bye-bye.